High school students, this is Mr. Bergenfield here again with another Schoology tutorial. We're going to be checking out our calendar feature, which is going to be a great tool for you to use during this online session of Lake Wales High School. So there's a few different ways you can see your calendar. This is your calendar for all of your courses and all of your groups and clubs that you have on Schoology. This is the quick view, but if you click calendar here, it should take you to the full view. And this will give you kind of a good indication of what you have going on. You're going to have a lot of live meetings coming up in the near future, like I have one here for this course. Most likely your teacher will be posting links to either a Google Meet or to a Zoom account, depending on what the teacher's preference is. And this will make it easy for you to get into that when it's time. It also will show any due dates for assignments and things of that nature. I don't have a lot showing right now because this particular account is only in one course, but you will see all of your assignments populating here, and that is very beneficial. Another place you can view the calendar is in your individual courses. So if I were to go to course, go to whichever course you want to look at. On the right side over here is the calendar, and again, if you click up here on the little calendar icon, a pop-up calendar shows up, and this should only show you the items for that particular course rather than all of your courses. If you scroll down, you even have the option to export this. If you export this, you can upload it to your Google Calendar or to your iCal if you have an Apple device, and it'll show up on your phone there as well if you don't want to just check Schoology. So there are ways of making sure you don't miss any important dates, which online it requires you to be a lot more diligent with your deadlines, and you have to be responsible for your own time management. So make use of these features.